Tap the System Tools button. Tap iWorks. Select a protocol and tap Confirm. Scan the correct CCA based on the standard view indication. After freezing the image, the view name annotation will appear automatically. To modify the annotation, type the desired content. Drag the annotation to reposition it. To delete an annotation, tap the close icon if not needed. After saving the image or clip of the current view, iWorks will automatically switch to the next view. Tap the right arrow to move to the next view. Tap the left arrow to move to the previous view. If a view is unnecessary, tap Delete View to remove it. iWorks will automatically activate the relevant imaging modes, for example color, PW, etc. Once all views are completed, tap Yes to exit iWorks. If there are skipped views, tap No to locate and complete them, or tap Yes to exit without completing the skipped views. To exit at any time during scanning, tap the iWorks icon. To preview the protocols and views for each exam mode, check the protocol and view lists in the Setup menu.